2019 Ford Edge USB issues, fixes, and replacement. So here it is right here. It's not working. Plug my USB in and nothing happens. Both on top and bottom. So there's like, let's see, 4 or 5, 6 different things. Obviously, try a different cord. Make sure your cord's good. Second, check the USB ports for gunk. This one had a bunch of gunk inside of them. You had to clean them out very carefully with something very, small. Also, number 2, or number 3 at this point, you have to pop it out for this. You want to pop it out, you got to work the bottom and then work the top of this. It's in there super tight with a plastic pry bar, and then it'll pop up a little bit, and then you can pull this out. The connectors have issues. So this first connector was, I undid it and looked inside of it. The connector had corrosion, and on the inside of the USB hub it had corrosion. Then also, let's see it right here, this gray connector, push these wires in. Here's a picture of the other corrosion I had. Push these wires in from the back because the pin's back out. So make sure those are good. Put that in. And even though it's lit up blue, that'll tell you that it's got power, but the inside of it is not working. There's no fuse for this. From what I read, it just gets powered up from a computer. Yeah, again, make sure your cord's good. Try a different cord. Try your cord on a different spot. Make sure everything works. But I did those things. I cleaned out the corrosion. I cleaned out the USB ports. A lot of times water gets spilt on there, but after a while, it started connecting. Or not after a while. Anyways, it should work. Also, here's the part number if you just want to get a whole new one. All I gotta do is get a new one and then plug in those 2 connectors and then pop it back in place. But yeah, if you look in there, there's blue little corrosion. I had to clean it out. Be very gentle. There's little pins in there that you could damage it. And anyway, so now I got it plugged into my phone with it plugged in to test it. I made sure this connector, I pushed these connectors in real well and made sure the wires from the back aren't coming out. And then I got this guy in right here. And then aside from replacing it, you just check those few spots, and that's it. So finally, after I did all that stuff, my phone connected, and then now it's good. So thanks for watching. Hope this video helped you out. Check the link for say about this new soap I've been using by a new company called Quantum Soap. It's a men's soap company. They make multiple different bars of soap with their own ingredients and fragrance. They even have a dark matter bar, which is more grittier. If you're a mechanic, you have a lot of dirt and oil in your skin a lot. You can reach them at quantumsoapco.com. Free shipping on orders over $50. These soaps are made in the US with all natural ingredients by hand. No synthetic this, synthetic that. They've been great. They've hooked us up with a GearmoAuto promo code. So if you head over to the website, type in GearmoAuto in the checkout, you'll get 10% off. Again, these guys are on Facebook, Instagram. Check them out. Check the links below. Thanks for watching.
You're pretty good. Your style is no match for